Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 30th, 2020, and this Sudoku will be number 1256. So let's get started. And the first question is, do we have a single box here? No, I cannot see a single box, only a duo box. The duo box, the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Then these two boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Triple box, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2 and this should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. Stupid. Single box. It's a 1 single box. So these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I have eliminated a 2. So this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, let me mark them. 4 and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 4 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or there. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or there. That means one of these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This should be the 1 and the 3. What I see here, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 cannot be here. The 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then the 3 cannot be in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are left. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. This box cannot be a 3. The 3 should be in one of these 2. I mark them for you. The 3. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be in one of these 2 boxes together with the 3 as a pair. That means this box should be the 4. This box cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I have eliminated the 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 4 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have here 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now I have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 2. Then 2 boxes left here, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them for you. Oh, we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. So this should be the 4 and this should be the 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now I have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 4. And then, let me see. 5. These 2. Wow. We have a 5 here and a 2 there. So this box can only be the 3. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So this should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. And I cannot place the 2 here because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there and the 5 goes here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Here should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. And this should be the 3. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 5. Yeah, now I have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. So this should be the 5, alright. We have a 1 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or there. This, now I have a 5 here. This box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be the 5. We have a 5 now, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here, and I eliminated the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this color, in this area for the number 2. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be a 4, and cannot be a 5. Yeah, this should be a 3. Now I have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. Now I have a 3 here, so this should be a 5, and this should be a 3. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark them, 1 and the 4. But I have marked these 2 boxes with the 1. This box cannot be a 1, so this should be a 4. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 4 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This box should be the 4. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 1. Finished in 9 minutes, all right. For a tectonic, I'm very, very pleased. Yes, in 9 minutes, I'm surprised. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you can, only if you will, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. I will see you the next time. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.